Allegations of sex abuse and a cover-up were center stage today in a northern Kentucky courtroom. The defendants, an ex-Bengal cheerleader and teacher, and her mother, a school principal. 9 News reporter Tom McKee covering northern Kentucky news now live with whether a plea deal could derail a jury trial. Tom?
Well, Clive, the only thing we know for sure tonight is that the prosecution is prepared to go to trial next month. The defense isn't talking, and the bonds for both Cheryl and Sarah Jones have been reduced. Now, those changes came this afternoon in the Kenton Circuit courtroom of Judge Patricia Summey. Sarah, an ex-Bengal and former Dixie Heights High School teacher, remains on electronic monitoring and cannot have any contact with the alleged victim or his family. The texting feature on her cell phone has to be turned off, and she has to post a $10,000 bond of cash. Cheryl, on leave as principal of Twinhuffle Middle School, had her bond reduced to $2,500 cash. She too was taken off electronic monitoring, but can't contact the alleged victim or family or use her phone's texting feature.
Cheryl, do you have anything to say at all about the hearing today? Is there any kind of plea deal in the works, Cheryl? Any kind of plea deal at all that you're aware of?
I'm not going to make any comment now, thank you.
Is there any discussion about plea bargain or plea deal in this case at all that would prevent a trial from going forward?
At this point, it's not appropriate to comment on that. Our next date is June 27th, and we'll be prepared for trial at that time.
Now, right now, there are more than 9,500 pages of evidence in this case that the prosecution is now sharing with the defense. And of course, one interesting note here, the family of this alleged victim has said before that they are supporting the Joneses right now and will continue to do so through the trial. Whether a trial will actually happen, and if so, how that impacts the trial remains to be seen. Tom McKee, 9 News, live in Covington.
Hamilton.